Explore and go where the action is with the Rattan Pathfinder, the perfect bike for adults and outdoor enthusiasts that need a capable bike suited for rough terrain. This bike comes with a powerful 48V 750W high-speed brushless motor inside the rear wheel. This bike has a surprising takeoff and acceleration and can easily go over bumps and uphill. Engage the throttle and reach the top speed of 20 miles per hour, so you will arrive at your destination swiftly. This model has a 48V lithium-ion battery pack with 13 amp-hour capacity and has a range of 40 to 60 miles on a single charge. Ride it to work or school without worrying about the range. The bike comes with a patented intelligent pedal assist that makes it 83% more efficient. It also features a modernized MTB design with smart electronics and all-terrain CST fat tires, suited for the challenging urban environment and tackling nature trails.
If you want reliable bikes at a low guaranteed price, hop on to Paradise now. Visit us at electricbikeparadise.com, buy your dream bike on our website, and join our family of satisfied customers. We will ship your bike for free and give you exclusive promos and freebies.